Hi, this is Andy in Memorial Printers Ireland. Today I'm going to show you how to add bleed and crop marks in Acrobat X Pro. This is a common scenario which you're getting a file from your customer just to find that it has no bleed, no crop marks, so you can't send it to the press. And that actually can be easily done in Acrobat. So first of all, you have to determine what's the page size, right? You have to confirm that there is no bleed. As you can see, it's 210 by 297, so it's A4. There is no bleed on the job, right? So you know that you need to add your bleed. So first thing you need to do is to add the crop marks. The reason you do it first is because it will let you avoid juggling with boxes sizes later on. They will be just set for you automatically. So you go to Tools, and then you go to Print Production, Add Printer Marks. These tools in older versions of Acrobat will be located here up on the top. We'll find them under Tools. There'll be slightly different names for them, but you should be able to find them anyway. So you click Add Printer Marks, and you just select Trim Marks. Trim marks are actually confused with crop marks. That's the marks that show you the page size after being cut. So in our case, it shows us the A4 page size, right? You hit OK. You say OK to whatever warnings are there, and as you can see, nothing changed. But the marks are there, and it will make it much easier to work afterwards. Now we need to add our space for our marks and for our bleed, because now we have just A4 pages. So we go to Print Production, Set Page Boxes. Now all we have to do here is to change the page size. Everything's going to be center. So we just add maybe 20 millimeters each side. Well, 10 millimeters each side, meaning 20 millimeters to the overall dimensions. So our 210 becomes 230. And our 297 becomes 317. And we basically OK that. And as you can see, our crop marks are there. But our bleed is still not there, right? So we now have to fix the bleed. So again, you go to Tools, Content, and then Edit Object. In older versions of Acrobat, this is going to be in the Tools menu up on the top, and it's going to be called Touch Up Object Tool, right? It's the same thing. So hit Edit Object, and you try to select this little picture in the background. Now, what you can do is just drag the corner to extend it and make your bleed, right? But as you can see, this image scales proportionally, which not always is the desired behavior, right? So in order to scale it not proportionally, you just select the object, then click and hold the handle, and then press Shift and hold Shift, and then you can drag your scale your image non-proportionally. Okay, you can drag it to the edges of the crop marks because the offset is 3 millimeters, and so that's gonna give you 3 millimeters of a bleed, which is perfect. Okay, so that's one side. We go over to the other side, and again, click, hold, Shift, and we can move it non-proportionally to the edge of the crop marks. And the same goes for this thing on the bottom, this little strip. Select it, click, hold, Shift, and same for the other side. Again, click, hold the mouse button, hold Shift, and move it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.